If you have been thinking about starting YouTube in 2026, but you keep overthinking it, this video is for you, because I'm about to show you the exact roadmap which someone gave me when I started. Not theory, not motivation, a real step-by-step plan that actually works today. So if you are serious about growing a channel this year, stay with me. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do next. Let's start with the truth nobody tells beginners. YouTube is not luck anymore. In 2026, YouTube only cares about one thing. Did people enjoy your video or not? And that's it. Not how many subscribers you have, not how long you have been posting, just how people feel after watching you. So instead of chasing views, focus on this. Make videos people actually enjoy watching. Here is where most people fail. They post 3 videos, get 20 views and quit. The people who win, they treat their first 50 videos like it's practice, not failure. Now let's get practical. Step 1, your channel setup. Don't overcomplicate this. Just create your channel. Choose a name that tells people exactly what you do, not something random, Blessing TV 247, but something clear like YouTube Growth for Beginners. So when someone sees your name, they already know why to click. And please pick one niche, not cooking today, motivation tomorrow, relationship, drama next week. Focus, because in 2026 focused channel grow faster. Step 2, ideas that actually get views. Stop guessing. Seriously, stop guessing. Go to YouTube search right now, type your topic, look at what people are already watching. That's your blueprint. Then make it better or simpler or more interesting. Have a formula that works like crazy. Example, how I got this result without this struggle. For example, how I got 1,000 subscribers without showing my face. You see that it's clear, simple, and it makes people curious. More trick. Don't just make one video, make a series, because when people watch one, they will watch the next, and that's how you grow faster. Step 3, your script. This is where most people lose viewers. The first 5 seconds is everything. You need to hook people immediately, not hi guys, welcome to my channel, but something like I went from 10 views to 10,000 views, and I'm about to show you exactly how. Now people are interested. They then keep it simple. Tell them what they will get, show the problem, give the solution, end it with a clear action, and please talk like a human, not like a robot reading an essay. If it sounds boring when you read it, it will be boring when they watch it. Filming and editing. Good news, you don't need a camera. Your phone is enough. Just find good lighting. Even window light is perfect. Talk clearly. Look at the camera and keep your energy up. Then when editing, cut out boring parts. Captions, slightly. Put text on screen. Every few seconds, something should change. That's what keeps people watching. Now, listen, this part is very, very important. thumbnails and titles. This is where most of your views come from. If people don't click, nothing else matters. So keep it simple. One clear image, big bold text, not too much. Emotions make people feel something. Curious, short, and your title, make a promise. Something that makes people think, I need to watch this. So here is step 6, uploading the right way. Don't just upload and disappear. Add a good description. Use keywords in the first lines. Add chapters. Add end screens. Add cards. These small things matters more than you think. Step 7. How to actually grow your first 24 hours matters. Share your video anywhere you can, but here is the secret. Short. Post short videos every day if you can. Same topic as your main video. Short bring people in. Long videos build your channel. Don't just ignore your comment. Reply to people. Make your channel feel alive. And one thing I need you to understand, consistency beats perfection. Your first videos won't be perfect, and that is normal. But every video you make should get better. Don't wait to be ready. Start now. Improve as you go, because the people winning on YouTube right now are not the most talented. They are the ones who didn't quit. So now you have the full roadmap, no excuses. All you need to do now is record your first video this week. If you are serious, comment I'm starting, and I'll check out your video. And if this helped you, subscribe, because I'm dropping more videos like this every week. Let's grow together. I'll see you on my next video here and here.